Yeah, right there with LeBron James, courtside.
Okay.
Me and my daughter. So
Yeah.
he's a man.
Yeah.
He's
Anybody
a real
who's
deal.
thinking or has questions, what do you got to tell them?
Man, he's a real deal. You gotta trust him.
Okay, good.
Just trust him. Do what he tell you to do, and the results will be there.
Hey guys, this is Alan Abernathy with NUFICO. I'm here with a client that we helped out. One of my good friends now. I think most of my clients turn into that. But Ron is just a huge success story. So he was just going to tell you guys a few things about how it works with us and give us a little bit of a testimonial.
Yeah, I met Alan in September, I believe. I had been working on my credit for the last 4 or 5 years. I had built it up to 610, was probably the best credit score I had. I wasn't a stranger to cleaning up credit or nothing like that. I had went as far as I could go. Something told me just give him a try. And then I think we were about 45 days in, and I was at a 752 on my Experian. And here's the sample of them. I can't show you too much because of
Got the numbers
on them.
Yeah.
You know, here's 1, 2, 3,
All
4,
cards.
5, 6, 7, 8, and I got 2 of them. I only probably had one, and they wanted income verification. And also, I applied for a line of credit with Wells Fargo, and I did get a $10,000 line of credit with no signature.
Well, let me ask you. So you got those without income verification,
No income.
just off of the credit score,
Just off the credit score.
and you got 10 cards.
10 cards.
Yeah, 45 days, 60 days. That's usually how it works.
Yes. I also want to add one thing, too. One of the things I had on my credit report, I think it was from like Monterey. It was either Monterey, one of them. The thing was so stubborn because I owed $14,000 and it went into collections and I could not get it off, no matter whatever I tried.
Mm-hmm.
And with Alan, I got it off and I hadn't heard nothing from him. It's totally a different experience to have this kind of credit power, $40,000 worth of credit. Just trust him because, like I said, I did all of the stuff the letters, the everything. I've done it all for the last 5 years, and so now I have zero balance. I have no negative items, no inquiries, zip, nothing. No, you was a blessing to me. I'm gonna be honest with you. My Christmas was extraordinary.
Good. That's good.
I did a little spending. I went a little wild for Christmas,
Yeah.
but I paid them back off.
There you go.
You know, but my Christmas, this Christmas and my Thanksgiving was phenomenal. Courtside seats at Laker game about 2 weeks ago. Courtside.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, courtside.
Made it happen. Well,
Yeah.
thank you so much, Ron. I appreciate it, and we look forward to hearing from you guys. This is one of our successful clients here in LA.
Yeah.
Go
Thank you,
check us
brother.
out.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Good.
Okay, Ron.
Thanks.